Hi, Mike here. On and off, I've been experimenting a lot with trying to get a WebAssembly build of the Themes Playground working. And I've been struggling with it for quite a while, and I've also got a lot of help from Kevin Moore and other people on the Dart and Flutter team with getting up and running. I'm really grateful for that. But so now I got it running, and most of the things seem to be working, but I ran into a little bit of a performance snag, or whatever you want to call it. So let's take a look at that. So what we're looking at here right now is a standard release build running on CanvasKit and JavaScript. And this is on a hosted live site with a release build. So what I'm going to demo here is one of the more demanding tasks. And that is when you are mixing the surface blends here, and it has all the sort of colors, etc., in the seeded color scheme, and changes going on there as well. And this is doing it pretty well. When you if you just click the slider, the animation is smoother. But when you drag it like this, it goes through all the different discrete steps here in the blend level, and it actually starts a theme animation and rebuilding the whole theme and transitioning each step in that, and that actually gets interrupted a little bit as you drag this as well, and it starts again and rebuilds. So it's looks like it lags a bit, but it comes from all these theme animations going on there in the background. It's a really nice sort of accidental stress test that I added to this app. So anyway, this drags pretty well. It's no problem really. I mean, it's a little bit better on a desktop build, but it's also lags there, honestly. So when we go over then to view the config code for this theme and drag it here, we can see it's the same. It's actually a little bit smoother now, since it's not doing this animation for all the colors, etc., and calculating so much. That color scheme is quite heavy to do. This is faster, showing some text and changing the surface plane, the code for that I'm adjusting there, you see. So that works pretty well. Let's now then do the same on the WebAssembly build. I'm gonna jump over to that one. That should be the one in red here. Yes, that's the one. It's showing here that now we're CanvasKit, and it's a WASM build for the entire app. And the configuration is exactly the same that we are looking at here now. We can check this out by dragging the color scheme as well. And it actually feels a little bit smoother, maybe, when you're doing it in this mode. And this is all fine. But now let's go and look at this theme code again. I'm going to click it now. Hello, there it comes. Took quite a while to open this, and it's just a bulk of text. And what happens when I drag this? Oh, hello. Oh, there we go. Back. Oh my. Something is fishy. We can do the same with a local, actually a local debug build. Here is the same config. I have this one in blue, and this is a debug build, and you can see this one lags a lot more than the release build. This is the JavaScript build, etc. And if I go into the theme code, it's again a little bit snappier when it doesn't have all those color scheme colors that it needs to recompute and redraw a lot of as well. So yeah, okay, that one works fine. And let's do this the same in a WebAssembly WASM debug build locally, and this is actually smoother. So this is better in the local debug build with WebAssembly. But again, when we go here into the code, it's taking forever. And hello, oh my goodness. Oh, it woke up. We can do it again. Okay. All right. So that is kind of weird. And that was pretty much it that I had on mind. I have no idea what's going on and why this is happening, but just found it interesting. And probably now I'm going to have to debug it and figure out that what is happening here. All right. Thanks.